Hey everyone, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, welcome. Before I begin, I just want to speak about Odd Muse. Odd Muse is a London-based company. This video is not sponsored by any way. I know you can tell from the title what this is about, but I have been eyeing this blazer for a while now and I finally bit the bullet. I have an art show coming up, so I wanted to, dress up. It's been a few years since I've had an art exhibition, so I wanted to just kind of treat myself to something that I've been eyeing for a while now. So let's just get right into it. So this is the bag and it says invest in your wardrobe. On the other side it does have the Odd Muse label, but I can't really show you that because it also has my personal information on there, so I'm not going to be showing you that, but I will unbag this. And would you look at that? I'm really excited to open this. So in the bag there's also this little card holder thing. It has embossed text, which is really pretty. I love the color, neutrals, black, totally my thing. And inside it just has a thank you card. So it says, to our muse, today's date, Erica, you are truly the ultimate muse. I love personal touches to any packaging, so this is just really nice and it's handwritten. And also in this is the information for the purchase order. I purchased an extra small. I'm normally an extra small in all my clothing, but this is an oversized blazer, so I definitely knew that I needed an extra small. So this will probably fit as a small on me. We'll see. So this is the first belt, and then there's also this belt. And here is the blazer. Two belts. This is more of a thicker band, and then this is more of a thinner band. Little hole on both of them, and I don't know if that's just unfinished or if that's the way that they are, but seeming like it's on both of them. I feel like this was an intentional design. Finally, we have the blazer. So the blazer is in this beautiful neutral color. It does have a bit of shoulder paddings, which I don't really mind. I mean, my shoulders are pretty broad for my frame, but I feel like this is the style nowadays, and I wanted something that was gonna last throughout different seasons. It is lined, which is great. I don't like when clothing is not lined, so you can tell that this is really well made. It's got the label at the back here. These pockets here are just for aesthetic. There is no actual pocket. Sometimes I like blazers with pockets, sometimes I don't. I find when some blazers have open pockets, it kind of just droops open. It looks unfinished, unpolished. I like how this one's kind of closed. I feel like this suits the look of it being clean cut, so I don't mind it being closed. Well made. You can tell that the quality is there. This is actually dry clean only. The shell of it is 75% polyester, 5% spandex, 20% rayon, and the lining is 90% nylon and 10% spandex. So it is stretchy, which is good. That way you can move a bit more. I find when blazers don't necessarily have stretch or some stretch, it's harder to move around. I love the cut of the collar here. It's really pretty, and I can't wait to try this on to show you what it looks like. I'll put the two belts on. I have black pants from, I think, Fashion Nova that I have on right now. So I'm just wearing a plain black long sleeve shirt just so it's nice and fitted, and under this blazer I'd probably wear black anyways. So let's just put this on. It is definitely oversized. No joke about that. I feel like this looks way too big on me when it's just loose like this, so I definitely would not wear it like this. If I'm going to wear it without the belt, I think I'd wear it just open or actually on top of my shoulders. Without the belt, I like how it looks on top of the shoulders. You could wear pants, skirt, dress. I like the look of that. Bring it up here, we're gonna just tighten this. What I'm excited about is because of this belt, it's gonna cinch in my waist, so that's kind of cute. Can also wear it the other way. Looks like a little knot at the front. I like how it's tighter. Okay, so now let's try the thicker band. So I believe this goes in the front. We're gonna cinch in the waist, and we're gonna tie this just like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the back. It's just twisted. So it does give the illusion that my waist is tinier because of the larger sleeves, and then this kind of puckers out a little more. The sleeves are wide. I like how the sleeves kind of have this point on it as well. That's a pretty cool design to it. It almost reminds me of a flower. This is cut. I think this looks really nice. Another way that you can tie this is just simply tying it in the back like that or down. I find that when you do that, The back doesn't cinch in as well and you'd probably need assistance, but I do like how clean this looks with it just about like this. Either option is good. So you can also put this on the back side if you want the back to be thicker, but I prefer this to be in the front. Final verdict for this blazer is that I really like it. So far I'm really loving the quality. Like, you can tell that this is thick, it has a good shape to it, it's fun, it's unique, super comfortable. I love that it's lined. I feel like it's gonna be warm in the winter. I could easily wear a long sleeve like I do right now. I could wear this with a bandeau, a bralette, not really my style, maybe it will be, who knows, a crop top, or as some people do, they don't wear a bra at all, but because I'm so small, I'm definitely gonna need to wear one. You could wear it with skirts, short, you name it. I think this is an excellent option. It looks great.